You're cruising down a scenic highway, mountains on one side, ocean waves on the other. The sun is setting, painting the sky in gold and pink. And behind the wheel, it's not just a vehicle, it's your home. Compact, easy to drive, yet inside, a world of comfort, luxury, and freedom. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most exciting compact motorhomes of 2026, the Thor Geneva 19VT. At first glance, it may look small, but don't be fooled. This motorhome packs a surprising amount of space, features, and lifestyle potential, all in under 20 feet. If you've ever dreamed of owning a motorhome that's simple to drive, budget-friendly, but still filled with luxury touches, this one's for you. Stay with me because by the end of this tour, you'll see exactly why the Geneva 19VT could be the perfect travel companion for couples, solo adventurers, or even small families ready to explore. Let's start on the outside. The 2026 Thor Geneva 19VT is built on the Ford E-Series chassis, which is a tried-and-true platform in the RV world. What does this mean for you? Reliability, easy servicing across the country, and a driving experience that feels more like a van than a massive RV. At just about 20 feet in length, the 19VT is one of the most compact Class C motorhomes you can buy. This makes it a dream for city driving, tight campgrounds, or even those last-minute roadside stops. The exterior design is sleek, with Thor's signature graphics and a bold front cab that feels rugged but modern. You'll also notice the large power awning, perfect for creating your shaded outdoor lounge. Imagine sitting outside with a coffee in the morning or grilling with friends in the evening, all with the push of a button. Storage compartments are cleverly placed around the exterior, giving you space for camping gear, chairs, and essentials without cluttering the inside. On the road, the Geneva 19VT is powered by Ford's 7.3-liter V8 engine. Yes, real muscle under the hood. Smooth acceleration, dependable towing capacity, and enough power for mountain climbs without stressing. You'll also have modern driver assist features like cruise control, backup camera, and touchscreen infotainment. So long trips feel easy, not exhausting. Step inside, and here's where the magic happens. For such a compact size, the Geneva 19VT feels open and welcoming. The designers have clearly thought about every inch of space. The first thing you'll notice is the bright, airy interior, thanks to large windows and LED lighting. The decor for 2026 comes in two choices: light modern tones for a contemporary feel, or warmer wood accents if you prefer a cozier vibe. Even though it's under 20 feet, the Geneva doesn't feel cramped. The open floor plan creates a natural flow from the cab to the living area, making it feel like a mini apartment on wheels. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, because yes, you get a real kitchen in a 20-foot RV. The Geneva 19VT comes equipped with a 2-burner gas cooktop for quick meals, a microwave oven for reheating or simple cooking, a stainless steel sink with a cover for extra counter space, and a refrigerator/freezer large enough for several days of groceries. Cabinets above and below give you space for cookware and supplies. You might not be making 5-course dinners here, but for travel meals, it's perfectly designed. One of the biggest surprises in the 19VT is the bathroom. Many small RVs force you into a wet bath, where the toilet and shower are combined. But here, you actually get a private bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. This is a game changer for comfort. No more cramped showering next to the toilet. You'll have enough room to move, plus storage for towels and toiletries. Now to the back of the RV, your sleeping quarters. The rear corner bed is cozy but spacious enough for two. With windows on both sides, you'll get cross ventilation and natural light, making it feel less boxed in. USB charging ports and small storage shelves make it easy to keep your phone, book, or glasses close by. It's the little touches that make long trips more enjoyable. Picture this. You and your partner set off for a weekend escape. You stop at a lake, roll out the awning, cook a quick dinner inside, then sit by the water as the stars appear. Later, you climb into a real bed, warm, comfortable, and at peace. That's the lifestyle the Geneva 19VT offers. Freedom without compromise. So why is the 2026 Thor Geneva 19VT special? It's all about balance. Size. Under 20 feet means easy driving and parking. Features. A real bathroom, full kitchen, sleeping for 4. Comfort. Bright interior, smart layouts, and cozy design. Power. Ford's reliable V8 Plus generator and solar options. Most motorhomes this compact sacrifice comfort, but Thor has managed to give you both. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose a compact motorhome like the 19VT for easy travel? Or do you prefer something larger with more space? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. So there you have it. The 2026 Thor Geneva 19VT, a small motorhome that proves luxury doesn't need size. It's practical, powerful, and packed with features that make every trip memorable. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more motorhome tours, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next review.